KimTownselYouTube here. Do you need some heeled sandals? I did for an event that I'm going to in May, my niece's wedding. Needed one for a Friday night event and one for a Saturday night event or Saturday event. So I ordered these from Amazon and they both fit perfectly. Let me show you. I bought two pair of shoes to wear to a wedding. I have no idea how to say either one of these name brands. We have black strappy sandals. I ordered size 7, I believe, in both of mine. Maybe size 7.5. Size 7. They call them square toe chunky heels with ankle strap. If you'll check in the text below, I'll provide a link on how you can buy these for yourself or start shopping for something like this. I needed to be on my feet in heels for a long period of time, and I'm an old lady, so I knew that the little tiny heels were not going to work for me. So I opted for the chunky heels. And I just thought this was cute because one of the dresses I got was kind of like a little gothy top dress. I didn't want to get full on Mary Jane's, but these seem like they might work. Square little toe. I had some orange ones like these a long time ago that I really did like. There's the black ones. Then to go with the blue dress, I got silver. I'm going to try silver. Each one comes in its own little bag. Again, these are a little bit higher heeled, but my dresses are both my blue dresses are really long. And these are just slip-ons. Again, with a square toe, chunky heel, and it's kind of padded. I like the way they come packaged. So those are the silver ones. Here's the silver ones. We'll pretend like that tag is not there. The band here has a little bit of stretch in it on the inside, so that makes it kind of comfortable. They're not hurting my feet. I do know me, and I know that if I'm seated for any period of time, I'm going to want to slip these off and give my feet a little rest and a little stretch. But I think I can wear these for most of the day. They don't bind my feet. They're not uncomfortable. And I think they're going to slip off and on quite easily. A little help there with that strap. What do you think? See if I can give you a little bit better view of them. Kind of cut off a little bit, didn't it? They're more comfortable than I thought they would be. Here are the black strappy sandals. I like these, and they're very comfortable, but I actually think I like the silver ones a little bit better. I do have to wear a black dress on Friday night, so I'll wear this with those and wear the silver ones with the long blue dress. These are super comfortable. The heel's a little bit lower on these. The straps are a little bit loose, but maybe a little too loose. They feel like real leather, smell like real leather, which is going to be a plus for some people and a minus for some people. I don't think these are going to do what I need them to do. What do you think? Thanks for watching my video about my new sandals with little heels. If you have time before you go, watch another video. Remember to check in the text below this video, and in the pinned comment, I'll provide a link so you can shop for yourself or someone you care about for sandals like these. They have different colors, of course, and different sizes. And until next time, sometimes we just have to act kind of girly, don't we? Thanks for watching.